Okay, so I'm not going to try and hold back too much of this. I want to make this course, short and sweet because that's what it should be for you. You should be able to get this done, set up in under an hour, and basically for free outside of whatever you paid for this course. So, what I often start at is always Google. Google is our friend, and it's a great search engine to go behind. I love it. So what we're going to type in is Mouse Recorder Pro. And when we type that in, we're instantly going to be served the next website that actually can allow us to download this software. Mouse Recorder Pro is so amazing. If you don't know what a macro is or even a recorder, basically, long story short, it's going to take your clicks, your movements from your mouse, and even your keyboard as well, everything that you type in, and it's going to memorize that, and it can actually output that over and over again. So if you have any repetitive, tasks that you may have to do, using a mouse recorder or a macro to actually get these tasks done on autopilot, and usually 10 to 20 times faster than a human can, is quite amazing and easy when it comes to implementing data entry and numbers and Excel, and oh my goodness, there's so many times I've used this. So what we're going to do is, again, just go down here, click on usually they're going to be pretty obvious about where you can actually download this. We're going to go to lo4d.com, the US version, and we're going to wait for the download to begin as it says, and we're going to have something that pops up right there. Just like that. It's a very small program. All you're going to need to do is unzip this. If you don't have something that opens up zip files, again, just go to Google. I'm just going to quickly give this for you as well. 7-Zip is a free program that you can also download that allows you to unzip .7z files, .rar, .win, I mean, there's so many things. 7-Zip is like basically the universal unzipper program. So if you want something for free, that's it. So once you have this, again, just going to go ahead and open. Once it does, you'll click on Setup. And while that simply extracts, I want to let you know that there is other ways that you can use macros, and you should always think about that in your daily life. Go ahead and click Run. And think about things that you may do often. Maybe you're opening and closing different tabs, or you have to, click on a whole bunch of different buttons whenever you're on a certain page. Even if that task takes 20, 30 seconds, having a simple macro that you can click, pop, open, and just like that quick, it really speeds up anything that you do in your day-to-day, and it helps productivity much more. So you're just going to keep clicking next all the way through. Yes, all of that. And then once you do, it's going to install, and we'll be opening Mouse Recorder in a second.